I have two pressure cookers that I use in mushroom growing. This is the first one. This is the second pressure cooker. This one is very old. Because of you and your support, I was able to buy this pressure cooker. I've been having it for about 2 years now. However, this gauge is not functional, and that is how it is. The first pressure cooker was donated to us by Samantha Coaches of Nourish All organization, and this is how it looks inside. It has some stands, and we were able to put a wire mesh, as you can see, where we put the different things we are sterilizing. So we remove this. That is how it looks inside. It also has this container that we remove, and that is how it looks like. And we always put water up to this level here. Then we put this back and then put what we are supposed to sterilize and then put this back. It always uses electricity.